Moving couches when you're literally 100 pounds sucks. Hey guys, it's Tiff. What is freaking up, you guys? A little backstory. I filmed this video 4 months ago. I lost my memory card because I'm stupid, but this is my 24-hour living room transformation. So before we start this video, I am doing a huge $800 giveaway because I actually grabbed some pieces that are room decor pieces for my house that I ended up not using because they're a little too small for my room. So if you guys want to know how you guys can win these pieces that are so freaking cool, there is a total of 6 paintings. Every single one of these paintings is some sort of luxury paint can. Make sure you guys watch this video to the very, very end. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Woo! The first thing I should do is probably show you guys what my living room currently looks like. When you guys see it, you guys are gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. It's just not that cozy. I got a new couch recently and it's so massive. I really don't know how to decorate it. This rug is too small, as you guys can see. I have this massive window and I have all of these random plants laying around that really don't have a home. And I have a bunch of books. This is the current fireplace. Then we have another shelf. And then this is just really plain. This is kind of what everything looks like. And then I have a TV right here. This is what it looks like from this angle. As you can tell, I just have a huge living room, but it's super empty, not cozy, not lived in at all. Alright, so it's time to start decorating. And my first tip, if you're decorating a space, is you have to clear out the entire space. I'm gonna take everything off of all of these shelves back here and right here. I'm also gonna gather all the knickknacks that I have in other rooms and put it all on a table so that I can see what I have, so that way I can edit everything down. So we're gonna do that first. This thing is so dead. Alright, so I took everything off of the shelves right now, and we're gonna fill these back up later, but first we are gonna focus on bringing everything that I own onto this little table right here. All the books that we have are right here. I actually don't own most of these books. Most of these are Matthew's. Matt loves books, and I love the fact that he loves books. That is probably more of my pile of books. So I sorted everything out with like things. So all of my pillows are in this area. All the books are in one area. All of my plants. Then I have my little vases, candles over here, and then random little knickknacks. This is how I'm gonna edit my room together. This is kind of how I like to decorate. Everyone's a little bit different. But I promise if you're able to see everything, it's gonna be so much easier. So the next thing I need to do is I actually need to take out this table, and then we are gonna take out this rug. Who needs a man? Oh, that was so much easier. I'm so proud. That was so easy. Yay! Oh my god. This is so heavy. Yay! We're gonna face it this way. Here are all the desiccants it came with. Definitely don't eat these. Definitely throw these out. This is so hard. Ow. Moving couches when you're literally 100 pounds sucks. Okay. Change. I'm tired. Why is this so tiring? I kind of want to wait until Matt comes home for me to do the rest of this. Okay, we're gonna do it. We don't need a man. Yay! I'm so dead. Guys, I did it. Holy freaking cow. I am so dead, but the rug looks amazing. This is like a rope rug. I love that it adds a textural layer to my living room, and it's very cozy looking. Now, I need to get a coffee table. So, the coffee table that I have is actually this coffee table right here. I'm over it, I'm done with it, and I actually think it'll look really cute in this room. So I'm actually gonna take this coffee table and move it to the living room. This is so much heavier than I thought it would be. Ow. Alright guys, I bought a bunch of these black picture frames a while ago and I've been meaning to put them up. So right now I'm gonna lay out all the frames and see which order I want the frames in. I feel like whenever you're looking at artwork, you look from the left to the right and then top down. So I'm just gonna leave not the cutest ones at the bottom. I love when frames come with these like outline kits so that it's a lot easier for you to figure out how you wanna frame everything. Hey guys, good morning. It is currently the next day now. Right now it is 9 a.m. I got ready real early. I have 3 hours exactly before my 24 hours is up. So I have a lot to do in 3 hours. I am really debating right now if I should put on curtains because these curtains are so high, and the last time I tried to put up curtains, I fell over, shattered my entire heel, had to go in surgery, was in a wheelchair for 6 months, and it's like, do I do that again to myself? So I'm gonna see if my curtain rod is actually big enough for these windows. These windows are massive. They're the reason I bought this house. This window is huge, it's gorgeous. So I thought this curtain rod would be long enough, but it's about 1.5 feet too small, so I guess it's just not happening today. So the next thing I want to do is add some of the pillows back into this space so that I add more color in, because right now it's just looking really blank. These are kind of the pillows that I have to work with. So let me just grab these so they're all in one space. All right. I'm throwing the pillows here just to see what everything looks like together. My favorite thing to do is to rip off these guys. So I currently have this throw blanket. It's like this rosy pink color. I wish it was a little bit more terracotta, but it's the only throw blanket that I have that'll add texture and color. I don't like this. Oh, so much cuter. So the next step is I want to style this coffee table. So I want to pick out a couple of books that I think would look really cute on this table. So I have this pot, and then I have all of these little plants that I can actually add inside of this pot. Ooh, this aloe vera plant. Oh, that's so cute. Already, that is so freaking cute. Okay, okay. Ow, almost gave myself a paper cut. I kind of like that. The next job I have is to style this table. I could add this guy. This guy is totally dead. My neighbor gave this to me, but it's really freaking cute. I just want it to thrive. Literally, it says thrive. It's not thriving at all. Really fast, I should probably water this guy before he actually dies. Next, I need to decorate this surface right here. A lot can go right here, which is really nice. Like that. So I'm looking for a book that'll go next to that mirror. I kind of like this combo. I like that so far. So I'm gonna transfer this little pot. Oh no. Okay, I want the inside part. And that'll add color as well. You're adding you. I actually think that looks so cool. So I've had these 2 giant picture frames of cactuses and succulents for the longest time, and I've never known what to do with them. So what I actually just realized, which I'm kind of stupid and should have realized earlier, was that they perfectly fit in this little area right here. We have 2, and already that makes it look so much better. I slightly hate this, so we are gonna change these out. This is one of my side tables that I use for my bedroom. Is that weird? I feel like that's weird. How does that look? It's eclectic. I kind of like it. So I have all of these fake little pumpkins. They're really cute. They're made out of like sweater material and velvet, and this one's made out of rope. I love the juxtaposition of having multiple textures in the same element. So these are all pumpkins, but they're made out of different stuff. What I want to do is I think I want to add all the trinkets first and then the books second. Almost 24 hours. I have half an hour left before the 24 hours is up, and I think I want to do one last thing. So there is this blank wall that I have in my living room that I think I could add a couple of things to that would make it really cute. And I have a perfect mirror that I think I can put right here. That way I can check myself out. Does it work in here? It does! Oh my god, you guys, I freaking did it! Holy freaking cow. I pretty much did exactly what I had envisioned in my head. I actually think it looks better than I envisioned, so let's go ahead and go on with a little tour. I love this little coffee table right here. Originally, I thought it was gonna be too warm for this space, but I actually think it looks really amazing with all of the little accents and little accessories that I put on here. But here are the pillows that I chose to add. I love adding the little karate chop right here. And this pillow has some gold weaving and accents to it, which I think is so cool. I have another one of the same pillow right here as well. And then for this table, I added a little plant. And I kind of like the steps of this, so I wanted to add another plant that wasn't too tall as well. And then for this bottom row, I added all of my coasters. I have so many coasters, I never use them. Kind of like to use them as decor pieces. I actually think they look super cute like that. As you guys remember before, this was completely blank. I think it looks so freaking amazing. I am shook every time I look at this wall. This is the right side. This is all of the stuff that I added. I added a bunch of books, and my little thing that I like to do is keeping book colors that are the same color together. So all the red books are together, all the yellow books are together, the oranges, then the whites and the blacks, and it makes the books look less cluttered even though there are a bunch of books laying out. And I added a bunch of candles. I kind of color coordinated them, so all the white candles are right here, then the green candles right here, and I have some empty pots right here because a lot of my plants died. And then for this side, which is the left side, this is how I edited all the shelves. I added 2 watering cans, I added a camera, more perfume, and then I added all my white/gray books right here, and I think it looks really cool. And this is what this wall looks like before. It was completely blank, nothing was here, and now it looks so cool. So before, the TV just looked really plain, and it still looks pretty plain right now, but I added a couple of elements, and I have some candles, all different heights. Then I have my fake flowers. I love that these are kind of color coordinated. Then we have my little plants corner. I have my basket filled with blankets right there, so whenever I get cold, I can just grab one out. To make everything more full, I added 3 plants that were all different heights. Another part of my house that I think looks so cool now is this little front entryway. And then again, to add a little bit more height to this side without actually being taller than this side, were these 3 little golden candlesticks. And then together, it is so cute. Yay, so that was my entire 24-hour living room transformation. I literally cannot believe I finished this entire room in 24 hours. I was so proud of it. Again, I have updated a couple of things, like I got a new mirror back here because Matt gave this to me for my birthday, Christmas. As you guys know, I am doing a giveaway in this video, so if you guys want to learn how you guys can win these paintings, which are handmade by the way. So I have one in Tiffany & Co. These are so freaking cool. This one is Hermes, but these are made from Oliver Gal. I actually don't want to give these away to you guys, but like at the same time, I have no use for them because I actually need pieces that are bigger. So I'll be ordering bigger pieces. If you guys want to enter this giveaway, it is so freaking easy. One is you have to be subscribed to this channel, of course. Two is follow me on Instagram at MissTiffanyMa. And I want you guys to also support Oliver Gal because they're just such a cool brand, and I just love supporting small brands, and I think it would just be really cool if you guys follow them. But follow Oliver Gal, follow me, and then comment down below in this video that you guys are entering and tell me your guys' Instagram handle so I can make sure you guys are following the rules. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Oh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.